I'm back for another video. As you guys can see by the title, today's video I'm sharing with you guys my spring, I guess I would say, fragrance recommendations. So I'm currently cleaning out my bathroom a little bit, cleaning like under my cabinets, some places where I've had some fragrances. And the other day I was telling you guys that I wanted to pick up a fragrance from Dior, which I do, but because spring has officially sprung, I told y'all the other day I've been rocking my Alfred Song Jewel a lot, but this is a really pretty floral scent. So because of that and the fact that at this point it has really been hot here in Atlanta, I wanted to just pull out my spring fragrances. I was like, I'm done like with all of my fall winter fragrances. I just have no desire. I want to pull out some things that are bright and sunny. Now here's the thing. So a few weeks ago, Clarence and I went to the Phipps area, and y'all, when I tell you I smelled Baccarat and Delina everywhere, I mean every freaking where. And I was just like, you know what? I gotta take it back to the classics. I've gotta take it back to just light, airy fragrances. So that is like my whole MO this spring and summer, is to just be classic with everything I'm doing. I don't want to smell like everybody. I don't want to look like everybody. I don't want to be like everybody. I just like nice, simple, classic things. And I've noticed that in fragrance, in beauty, in just everything, it seems like everything is a fad. Everything is a like, TikTok made me do it, Instagram made me do it. I got it because I saw 1,000 people with it, and I'm just like, I just want to take it back to just the things that I know and love to be classic and true. So with that being said, I went through my collection and I was like, okay, this is what I want to pull out. This is what I want to smell like this season. Even with my nails, I told y'all I'm going French and white all spring and summer. Spring, summer dresses and sandals and cute handbags and light makeup and gorgeous fragrances. That is just my whole MO for spring and summer. I don't want to do too much. I don't want to be too much. I just want to keep it light and airy. So I'm gonna share with you guys the things that I'm pulling out for spring and summer. Now, like I said, Jewel is out. Definitely gonna be rocking this a lot. This is a very light, it has a note in it. If I can think of it when I'm editing, I will put it across the screen. But this is just very pleasing. It doesn't do too much. It's not overdone. It's not composed like all kind of, you know, crazy, but it's a nice scent. So it's very nostalgic for me. So I'm definitely gonna be pulling that out. But the first thing that jumped in my head when I thought spring summer fragrances had to be my Dior J'adore. This has been around forever. I think since like 99, early 2000 is when this came out. This was the first fragrance, like luxury fragrance, that I ever purchased. So I have loved this for quite some time. I purchased it in 2005. I love this for quite some time. Clarence purchased it for me about a year or so ago. I can't remember if it was a birthday or anniversary gift. However, I love to wear this in the spring and summer. It's gorgeous. It's very light, very soapy. If you want something that smells very clean, light, but like when I say clean, like a soapy clean, not like a fresh linen clean. This is like a very soapy, freshly washed clean. Amazing. And this pairs really well with I have the body milk and the body cream that goes to this. Chef's kiss. Now I will say I don't recommend it for like nighttime wear. It's not my thing for the evenings, but during the day, like if you're going on a nice brunch date or if you're going on a day date with your boo, this is good. And if you layer it with all the components, so like the body milk and the body cream, this shines through and is beautiful. So I highly recommend, if you have this fragrance, pulling it out for spring and summer. J'adore by Dior. You won't be disappointed. The next fragrance that I want to talk to you guys about is by Burberry. This is another Clarence bought it for me fragrance. This he got me. This was one of my birthdays, I do recall. This is Burberry Weekend. I love this fragrance. It's so nautical. This smells like a yacht. Seriously, like if nothing else, it smells like a yacht. It smells like you should be boating. It smells like a little bit of like suntan lotion, but not really. And if so, like on a more elegant, elevated, upscale like scent performance. This is amazing. It smells like what I think the sun smells like. Like it's just fresh and nautical and clean. I really, really like this. As you can see, I've had it for some years, but I've put a dent in it. It is just one of my favorite fragrances ever. I love this. So if you can get your hands on it, this is a classic. Again, just like Dior, been around for years. This is a classic to the Burberry house. You're always gonna be able to find it on their website. They carry it in a men's version as well. This is just amazing. So my next fragrance that I'll be pulling out for spring and summer is more on the like mature side, but to me is a classic. It's number 5, Le Eau by Chanel. This is the epitome of like my age bracket's number 5. I used to own like the classic number 5. I ended up giving it to my grandmother. As much as I like the scent, it gave me like just too mature for me vibes. But when they came out with Le Eau, y'all, I fell in love with this. This is like literally my generation's number 5. If you are a perfume lover, you like classics, and you're like, I want to love number 5, but I just don't, get this one. This is very floral, very spring, very summer. I do not wear this in take that back. I have, because once it gets on my body and warms up, I do feel like it's good for like fall, the tip of winter. But when it's like brick outside, I wouldn't wear this. But it's very florally, but it still has those aldehydes in it that Chanel is known for. So it projects and it performs very, very well. But it still has that like number 5 DNA. So if you're looking for number 5, but on a more modern, for our age demographic like scale, Le Eau number 5 is perfect by Chanel. So the next fragrance I'm going to be pulling out is actually like a line, and it's the Chanel Coco Mademoiselle. I'm pulling out the Intense, which is this one, and I'm pulling out the Classic. It's in my little arsenal in my bedroom. But I love this for spring and summer because of the level of patchouli. The way the patchouli is done in this is perfect for spring and summer. Now I have the Intense, and let me go get the original. All right, so this is like my original bottle of Coco Mademoiselle. So this is just Coco Mademoiselle Eau de Parfum. This is the Intense version, as y'all can see. I love this fragrance. I pull it out in the spring and summer. I have it in a travel version. I have the body lotion in this. I have the body bar, the bath bar, and I have the body cream in this. So when I say this is stand out and classic. Now I feel like you can wear this all year round. This can definitely be your signature scent, but I tend to lean for this more in spring and summer now. I used to wear it a lot in the fall and winter too, because like I said, it's year round. But like when I want a nice beefed up fragrance in the spring and summer, I tend to lean towards Coco Mademoiselle. Like I said, Intense version, I love to use this during the evenings, and then the standard version I really like to wear at night. So another thing I'm pulling out is my Chance line. This is the Chance Eau Tundre, but I have the entire Chance line, and I'll be wearing it all spring and summer. This is a daytime version for me, but Chance, the original in the Eau de Parfum, is great for the evening. So if you're looking for a spring day or night scent, try the Chance line. They've got something for every occasion. All right, y'all. So this is my newest fragrance for spring. I'm super excited about this, you guys. This is the Dior Eden Rock. You guys know I love Dior Gris, which I am going to be pulling out for spring and summer too, but girl, this had to have it. So gonna go ahead and unbox it with you guys. Your box, you do get the dust cloth that they always give you, and then of course Comes with a nice little Dior sticker. I have opened it already. I used a promo code, which I will share with you guys on the screen. So I did get a little Dior cosmetic pouch. How cute is this little pouch? It doesn't say like Dior Beauty or anything like that. It has this nice little CD embossing on it. Let's open it up. So stinking cute, right? So I got, like, because I spent over $125, I got like some kind of deluxe sample. So I was able to get the Dior Show Travel Mascara, and this is their iconic over curl mascara. So I got this. So this is what the little packaging for the samples came in. I got Ombre Nuit and Tobacco Lair. And also, because I was spending over $100, I got a travel version of Ombre Nuit. And then I also got a Dior Rouge 999 Velvet lipstick. This is just their, there we go. This is just their regular red. This is the fragrance. So this one is in the limited edition packaging. It was $125. Dior now does engraving for 10 bucks. So you can engrave it if you like. This is what it looks like. It's so beautiful, you guys. And then here we are. There is the fragrance. So I love this. Okay, so Dior doesn't really describe this with like scent notes. It describes it with colors, blues, yellows. It says that it has a mineral note in it. I believe it has a little jasmine in it. The best way to describe it, to me, it reminds me of Bobbi Brown's Beach. Like Bobbi Brown's Beach, y'all at Myrtle Beach somewhere. You know what I'm saying? Eden Rock, you're on a French Riviera. That's how I'm feeling. That's how I'm feeling about the comparison. Like, it definitely has like that Bobbi Brown Beach kind of DNA, but like on a much more elevated, much more like scale. I'm excited about this, you guys. When I got the sample, I literally just could not get the fragrance out my head. So this is what the bottle looks like. You guys know I always go for the 40 ml. I have a really big collection. You guys see at some points I used to buy like 5-ounce fragrances, but I really like this, and this is gonna be my new spring. But yes, that's my new spring summer scent. If you guys have any questions, I am gonna review it, so I'm gonna wear it and then I'll do a sit down review for you guys, because I know you guys really enjoy that. I have a lot of people that still comment on that video and ask questions and things of that nature on my Dior videos, like fragrance videos. So I will be sure to keep you guys posted, but it's definitely gonna be my scent of the season. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.